Walaikum salam, sir.
Okay, so today's Aisha's exam got over, right? So I will ask Aisha when she joins. I will ask her to send the question papers in the group so that you guys can practice, right? Yes, hello Amira, sound.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Yeah, hello Tejasvi, good evening Tejasvi.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, so yes, in the previous class, Amira, you were talking about some questions, right? But yeah, you uh, revised all those portions, but the interesting questions that I can tell you are these ones, right? But don't rely on this, right? If you don't have any time left, then you just practice that, right? Otherwise, practice the question. Yeah, this one is not that much important. Yeah, you can take one question from here. So this purple one, right? What is the? Yeah, this is violet or purple. What color is this? I guess this is purple. Right. Okay. So yeah, this one I can tell you because if you practice this one, then the whole question you can cover. And then you have, let's say, this one, right? And then you will get the idea of the common difference and the AP. So these two, third, second, fourth, third. And then, oh, there are lots of. So in this one, you can also take this one and this one and this. So you can also teach questions, right? So in these type of question, you have to just find out the common differences, and if those are same, then you have the AP. If they are not, then you won't have the AP. So did you write it down, Amira?
Yes, sir. I highlighted.
Okay, but you practice all the questions, right? If you have
Sir,
time.
I have practiced all, so now, like
Yeah,
before
you want
one
to.
day, 2 days, so I will practice only the important questions.
Yeah, so yeah, and Tejasvi, when is your exam?
So tomorrow is my maths exam.
Oh, tomorrow. Okay, yeah. So, and Shaima's exam just got over, right? So I will ask. You have the question, right? In the group, you guys have lots of questions, so you guys can practice those. And also today, when Aisha joins, because she has just given her math exam today, so she will, yeah, she can provide us some questions, right? So you guys can practice. Yeah, this one is important because this covers every format of the question. This can give you the idea of every type of questions. This one is very important, right? And all the other ones are dependent upon that. So, yeah, and this one also. This one. And these ones, yeah, these ones. This one, which one is? Yeah. So this 13th one and this 12th one. Okay, find the sum of this. They can. This Ramfeli question is also important, and all the other ones are the similar one, right? And this
Sir, the 17 was also.
7, no, no, not the 70. Oh, find the 20th term from the last. Yeah, this one. This one. So, yeah, you practice these questions because then they will cover all the other ones, right? This one is also looking important, but yeah, AP every question is important. If you can do all these ones, then I can get the full idea. Okay, then in the sum to add terms, because now in here the experts are here, right? Uh, Sharma, Tejasvi, and they are here. They are experts, so they can also tell you what are the interesting questions. Yeah, did Aisha join? Yes, hello Aisha, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam, sir.
Okay, so can we ask how was it?
Yes, so most of the questions are good, but like one or two questions are hard.
Oh, lots of. Okay, yeah. So lots of. Okay, so we can discuss those questions, right? Yeah, we
Yes,
can.
sir.
Yeah, after we finish. So, but before you do that, can you please, Dave, can you please send when this class is over? Can you please send those question paper to the group, right? So that will help
Yes, sir.
Tejasvi and yeah, please do that. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
Shaima is telling, yeah, good, good. Yes, thank you, Aisha. And Shaima is telling that Amira, you can also see those example questions. Yeah, also look at those example questions. Okay, so this one is also important. Oh, it's already 41. Yeah, give me some. So this one, and then what was the N one? Yeah, I guess N and D. Which one was important? I guess in one of these question we get quadratic equation. In which question we get A and A. So then you can calculate. Yeah, I guess this one is the question. So SN 90 and N by 2 and plus N minus 1 and D is 8. Yeah, I guess this one. So this question, what was the question? Yeah, this question is very good one because this question uses the idea of quadratic equation. You are studying the chapter AP, but you are taking the help of quadratic equation. So this is a mixed question, right? So this one is very important. And then, yeah, this one, and then, yeah, this one also. This one is very important. This one is very, and then this one has a lot of questions. Yeah, the 16th one, and yeah, between these 12 to 14, you can take one, whatever you want. Practice. I guess this spiral one is also good, and then last, yeah, these log one and the so if you have time, then please do that. Otherwise, please. So all these one are very important questions. Okay, Amira, when is your exam?
Yes, sir. Sir, it's on 17.
17. Yeah, so you have lots of time, right? You practice all these questions. So you have AP, and what are the other chapters?
So, it is application of trigonometry, coordinate geometry, and area related to circles,
Yeah.
surface area volume,
Okay,
and
so Shaima's syllabus. You have Shaima's syllabus, right? So you can practice Shaima's question paper. You can practice. Okay, Amira.
yes, sir.
Yeah, and all of you guys, whenever you guys get Aisha's paper, right? Don't look at yeah in the internet. Try to solve all those questions by yourself, right? So whether you are getting a wrong answer, whether you are getting whether you are not understanding the question, don't use any other means, right? Solve those questions on your own. Try to solve it. Whatever time that you guys are taking, but try to solve those questions on your own, right? Don't use any other means. So then you will get the confidence that you require. So I guess all of you guys know the concepts very clearly. The only thing that you guys need is the confidence in yourself, right? So try to try to solve that paper, and if Aisha is saying that that is hard, then uh, then it is.
Sir, most of the questions are easy, but some were hard. Like I couldn't get
Yeah.
the final answer.
Oh, you couldn't get there. Which one? So what were the topics?
Sir, like the surface area and volumes, that was the vessel question. The question was
Vessel. Oh,
different. The lead shots.
then they that short. So the same one that we did yesterday.
Yes, sir, but the
So it
question
was
was different.
different.
Yeah, they changed the
What?
question.
So they changed the number or what did they?
Yes, sir. They changed that 2 by 3 of the volume of water flows out and all. They changed the radius also.
So then now, so the concept is same, right? Yeah,
Yes, sir,
but
but it takes a lot of time to calculate.
yeah, yeah. So that is what I was telling you guys, right? That surface area, volume, area related to circles, they require calculation time, right? Yeah, but we don't write everything. We don't solve one thing and then go to the other one. So you write everything in there, and then ultimately everything will cancel out. That is the idea in surface area.
So, but then the question, nothing was canceling out. That was the main
Nothing.
problem.
Oh,
Yeah.
so you said that this was 2 by 3 of the cone, right?
Yes, sir.
And then they wanted us to find out this number of lead shot and the radius of the lead shots were different, right? So this was different, this was different, these were different. Yeah, yeah. So that can happen. Yeah. So don't worry about those because yeah, you guys know. So these pre-boards have their specific purposes, right? So they tell you that which portion you have to focus on, right? So just get a positive feedback from these tests, these paper, and then prepare for the next, right? So now you know that which section you guys have to work. Yeah, so let us do all these three questions, and then then first you guys will solve Aisha's paper, and maybe I can send a message to this one, and you can also. Okay, okay, so now let us start, and Tejas, we have this exam tomorrow, so all the best for that, and you will get Shaima's paper today. But yeah, I guess we have prepared all the concept. Now you are just practicing, right, Tejas?
Yes, sir.
Good. So practice that question paper, make a stopwatch. So yeah, prepare a stopwatch, make a time frame. So that was a 3 hour paper, right? 3 hours paper, right, Aisha? Yeah. So on the basis of that, you just do all this question and see that how much time you are taking. Yeah, that will also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let us do this sixth one, right? This one we have done, fifth one. So sixth one is, yeah, so as I was telling that this question was, I never got the correct answer in my entire 10th standard. Never, never I got so the correct result. So that is why you need practice in these chapters. Sixth one. So was there any question, Aisha, which was out of the syllabus, or which we have not done in the class? Any question that was totally out of the yes? Yes, Aisha, are you there? I guess Aisha is not. Okay, so now let us yeah, let us start from the sixth. So a solid iron core consists of a cylinder of height and base diameter 24 centimeter, right? Which is surmounted by another rope. So we have two cylinders and radius 8 centimeter, right? Okay, so the dimensions are different. Find the mass of the pole given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. Right, so ultimately we have to find the total volume. And what is the structure? So one is this cylinder, right, and this has a larger diameter. So this base diameter is 20 centimeter. And on top of it, another cylinder of height 60 centimeter. So another, right, by another cylinder on top of it. And then we have to find, so this one height is, this radius is 8 centimeters. So for this one, they have given the radius. For this one, they have given the diameter. This radius is how much? This radius is 12 centimeter. This height is, what is the height? 20 centimeter. This height is how much? 60 centimeter. Right. All these dimensions are different. So volume would be what? Total volume would be this volume and this one. This is the total volume of whatever is there. Right. So the total volume would be how much, guys? Total volume is cylinder 1 plus cylinder 2. Right. So for cylinder 1, we have R1 which is 8 centimeter. We have H1 which is 60 centimeter. Right. For cylinder 2, we have R2, which is 12 centimeter, H2, which is 220 centimeter. So total volume is pi R1 square H1 plus pi R2 square H2. This is pi. R1 is 8 into 8 into 60 plus pi and 12 into 12 into what is 220. Right. So to solve this one, we can take common. So pi we can take common. And from these two, we can take 4 common. We can take 4 common. From this one, what we can take common? We can take, what we can take common? 20. Right. So this would be how much? 2, 2, and 3. And this is how much? 3. And you guys can see that we can also take this 3 common. So 20 we have taken common, so this is 11. Right, so we can take also this 3 common. So this is much. This is 2 into 2 plus 3 into 11. So this would be simplified. And they have told us to take 3.1. Oh, yeah. So this is 4 plus 33. This is 37. Okay, so how much is this? Right, I can use the calculator. But yeah, but in your yeah, you have to solve this, right? How much is this? Point one. You guys are not allowed to use the calculator, right?
Yes, sir.
This is 1153.8 centimeter cube, right? So this is total volume. And now we know that for 1 centimeter cube, right? For 1 centimeter cube, the mass is 8 gram. So for this centimeter cube, mass would be 8 into this, right? So using the unitary method for one, I have sent the paper in the group. Good. Okay, so fast. Yeah. So Aisha was question. Hmm. So you guys have got question paper, right? Yeah. So 16th one, Fibonacci sequence pattern. Yeah. Terms you present decided. What 16th one? ABC, ABC. That one is sorry. Yeah, this one 21st. Oh, so this 21st, right? Do you guys remember this 21st was in the, yeah, this one we have. 21st was in the sample paper, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
22nd one. Yeah, 28th one. So 28th, this is yeah, this is one of the
Sir, even the 30th one was there.
30th one. Yeah, 30th one. And this is of 3 marks. So you were talking about the 31st. Oh, 34th one. And that is of 5 marks. Good. You have to just rationalize this, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 36th one, yeah, that is also. That is from the NCERT. Yeah, so you can practice Tejasvi. Yeah, just
Yes.
do this question paper that you, these ones are interesting questions. Solve this one Tejasvi and then you will get the confidence. Okay, so
Okay,
good.
sir.
Thank you. Tejasvi, say thank you to Aisha, right? So providing us,
Thank you,
providing,
Aisha.
Oh, that's not a problem.
yeah. So help each other, guys, to improve each other, right? Okay, yeah. What for 1 centimeter cube, right? The mass is 8 grams. So for how much would this one, right? This 0.8 centimeter cube. The mass would be 8 into whatever this number is. Okay, so if in the class we get this multiplication, then you guys are right because this big multiplication is totally, I should say nonsensical, right? Because this will take a lot of time. Okay, so this is 8962.4. So this is roughly, this is grams. So this would be 892.26 kilo, right? So that would be the mass of this. So is this the answer, guys? Is this the answer? Yes, 892. What is the answer, guys?
Sir, I also got the same one.
Yeah, you got
Yes,
also the same one. Good.
yes, sir.
Then this is correct because I have a very less confidence in my calculation regarding the surface area volumes and the area electrics. So I always check my so 892 points. Okay, so yeah, this question was simpler, but you guys will get the simple question. But to multiply this thing, it will take yeah some time. Some time it will take. That is what you guys have to. Right? You guys have any doubts? If no, you don't have any doubt, please note it down. And then we'll do this next, right? So then we'll do this 7. Please note it down, guys. And do you guys have any doubts in this question? Yes. Okay. No, note it down, guys, and then yards and maximum marks is 8, 20. And for 1 mark question, right? For 1 mark question, if you guys get stuck at some question for 1 mark, leave that question because that only carries 1 mark. And if we are stuck in that, then if we are doing that problem, so it can yeah, take our 2 marks or 3 marks. Whenever you guys are stuck at 1 mark question, leave that question and leave it for the later part, right? Whenever you have done your all the calculation or you have done your completed your questions, then get back to the question. But don't get stuck in one question. Don't give lots of time to one mark problem. Right. Okay, whenever you guys have limited
So,
done. Good.
answer.
Okay, so the seventh one, right? A solid consisting of right. So a solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 centimeters. We have a right circular cone, which means that this is a right angle, right? So this is right angle. So right circular cone and of height this and this standing on a hemisphere. So it's placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom, right? So okay, find the volume of water left in the cylinder if the radius of the cylinder is. So we have this thing, right? We have uh, we have a cylinder, and in this cylinder, we have both. What is the radius of hemisphere of radius 60 and this cone is also 660 centimeter. And if the radius of the cylinder is also 60 centimeter, right? So we have a hemisphere, and on top of it, we have a right circular, right? So this structure, this structure is eating up some space in this cylinder, right? So this is the space it is occupying, right? This part is filled. So let's say you have a glass and you put some box in the glass, or you put some, let's say, whatever, something in the glass, right? So that will take some space, and the water would be right in these portions. So whatever portion is remaining, the water would be there, right? If these things are solid, the water would be in these empty spaces, right? So in this question, find the volume of water left in the cylinder if the radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeter. So radius of the cylinder, we know that is 60 centimeter. This is also 60 centimeter. This is also 60 centimeter, right? And yeah. So the of sorry, the right circular cone of height 120 centimeter. So this height is 120 centimeter, and we know that how much is this height, right? So this is 60 centimeter. And what is the height of cylinder? Oh, this is again 180. So this thing is occupying all the height, right? Because from here to here, this is 180. So this is 120, this is 60, so this total is also 180. So this whatever toy it is of 180 centimeter height. So this is exactly the height of this cylindrical glass, right? Okay, so full of water, find the volume of water left in the cylinder. So what would be the water left? Water left. So whatever, let's say if we remove this thing, so the total capacity is volume volume of this cylinder, right? This is the total capacity. If we remove this whatever this what do we call this thing? Whatever this toy, right? Let's see that it is a toy made up of this cone and this hemisphere. So if this is not there, then the total volume of the cylinder would be the water amount. But if we put this toy in this thing, so it will take up some space, and that would be the volume of, let's say, the combined what we call it, combined right, structure, right? So this volume of cylinder is pi r square h minus, because this h is the same, so I will write it as h, right? So h is 180 centimeter, r is 60 centimeter, right? And h1 is the height of the cone. So this is 120 centimeter. This is cone. This is so volume of combined structure is 1 by 3. Pi radius is say h1. So this is cone plus this hemisphere, right? So hemisphere is how much? By 3 pi r cube, right? So if we write it like this is 1 by 3 pi r square h1 minus 2 by 3 pi r cube. So this is why we write it like this, because we can take lots of things common, right? So we can take pi common, we can take r square common. So this is h minus h1 by 3 minus 2 by 3 and what is this r, right, guys? Right. So let us put all the values. So take have they told us to take 22 by 7, r is how much? 60, 60, h is 180. This is 120 by 3 and minus 2, 60 by, this is 20, this is 40. So 22 by 7, 60, 60, 180 minus, this is how much? 40 minus 40. Oh, good, we are getting 40 and 40. This is not cancelled, right? So this is 180 minus 80, this is 100. So let us take this as 3.1, right? So this thing we can multiply by hand, right? 3.14 into 36 into 10000. So this is how much? 11304 and point into 100. This is 1130400 centimeter cube. This is the water depth, right? Is this correct, guys? Yes. Is this correct, guys? What is the answer? Yeah, did you guys check the answer? What is the answer? And tell me if we have the answer. 1.131. Okay, meter cube. So 1.13, right? That is 1.13 meter cube. So how much centimeter is 1 meter? Yes. If I want to change centimeter into meter, how much would be that, guys?
100 centimeter is 1 meter.
100 centimeter is 1 meter, so 1 by 100. Right. Right, guys? So this is 1130400. This is centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. So 1130400. 1 by 100 meter, 1 by 100 meter, 1 by 100 meter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this would be how much? 1.13 meter. This would be the amount of water in cylinder. Right, guys? So this answer is also correct. But yeah, they have given in this form, whatever you want to write. Is this clear, guys? Do you have any question, any doubt, or any mistake that you are doing, guys? Yes, guys. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then keep down. Okay, and then we'll try to solve that, the question that I should try to get short. Yeah, whenever you guys have take it down. And always remember to draw the diagrams in topics. So, area related to circle, surface area volumes, coordinate geometry, the application of trigonometry, and trigonometry if needed. Right. So, whenever there is this diagram which is needed, please draw the diagram. So, in this one, I have not used the calculator, right? Yeah. The idea is that always write the numbers in the last. Whenever you have simplified everything, then write it down. Otherwise, if you do this independently, you find out this thing, you find out this thing, you find out this thing, and then subtract and do all the calculation. Then it will take a lot of time.
Done, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so yes, all of you guys, yeah, whenever all of you guys have noted it down, yes, whenever you guys have noted it down, yes, fine.
Done, sir.
Done. Good.
Done, sir.
1 minute, sir.
So,
Done,
oh,
sir.
1 minute. Yeah, so if you could have stopped at this point, then this is also correct, right? But yeah, if the NCERT answer they have reached this point, so yeah, you can stop at here or you could do that, right?
Done, sir.
Yeah, we could be last one, right? And then you guys will decide that which, because we have revised trigonometry, we have revised polynomial, we have revised quadratic equation, we have revised linear equation, and yeah, we have also revised the real numbers, or and then what is remaining? Yeah, there are lots of chapter remaining, but you guys will, your vote will decide that which chapter we will revise. In which chapter most of you guys have some that I guess now you guys don't have any doubt into that one we have done. 50, I guess 50 odd questions we have done. Oh, again this vessel. So a spherical glass vessel uh, has a cylindrical neck, and the dimension are given. The dimension of the spherical part is a spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck. Oh, just like you have this, what do you call my drawing is bad, but yeah. This is the diagram, right? So you have a spherical thing, and then on top of it you have a cylindrical, right? So vessel has a cylindrical neck, 8 centimeter long. So this is 8 centimeter and 2 centimeter in diameter. So this whole length is 2 centimeter. So then this radius would be how much? This radius is 1 centimeter. So R is R, and this R is cylinder, right? So let's say R1. This is 2 centimeter. This is cylinder. And then we have height, which is 8 centimeter. R is 1, right? 8 centimeter. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5. Why do we have this 8.5? So this diameter is 8.5. So radius would be 8.5 by 2. This is sphere. Now what we need to find out? By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child find its volume to be 345 centimeter cube. Okay, check whether she is correct taking the above as the inside measurement. Yeah. Why do we need to check whatever she has found? Maybe that is correct, right? They should have also told us to just calculate the volume. Yeah, so the answer that this right child has got, and it is 345 centimeters. Volume, she has found that this is 45 centimeters. So we need to find out that whether this is correct or not, right? So volume would be how much? Volume would be this sphere, right? Volume plus this cylinder volume. So this sphere volume is how much? 4 by 3 pi R2 cube, and this cylinder is pi R1 square H. So this is the thing. Now you guys calculate and tell me what is the answer that you guys are getting. So now all of you guys calculate it, right? Because I want you guys to calculate. Last question, you guys calculate. Okay. We cannot take anything common, but we can put the values. You guys calculate and tell me what is the answer that you guys are getting. Yes, please do the calculation. Last one, you guys can. Yeah, whenever you guys get any answer, please tell me that what I can. Right. Yeah, anyone got the answer?
There is the answer 346.51.
Yeah, 3, 4,
6.51.
3, 4,
Sir,
6.5.
even I got the same.
Yeah, so what should we tell about this child's answer? Because this is nearly there. This is correct, I guess, right? Yeah, so Aisha has got good. So you guys took only 3 minutes. That is absolutely, yeah, that is absolutely good. Please take at least 5 or 6 minutes. Okay, and yeah, what are you guys getting? Tejasvi, Amira, Abid is not here, right? Amar, what about you? And yes,
Got the same, sir.
same, good, good. So yeah, good. Then we'll stop it here. And yeah, in the next class, you guys will decide that what